I want to talk about something I get asked all the time. Mario, do you use ChatGPT or Claude? Honest answer, I use both. But if you made me pick one, it's Claude every time. Not even close. And this isn't about the Pentagon thing or the controversy. It's about which tool actually works better for me. So let me walk you through the real reasons. And at the end, I'll tell you where ChatGPT is still better, because it genuinely is for some things. I'm Mario, this is AI by Mario. Let's get into it. Reason number one, writing quality. If you've used ChatGPT for writing, emails, posts, scripts, anything, you've probably noticed that AI aftertaste. A little too formal, a little too enthusiastic, certainly, absolutely, paragraphs that restate that you just said. Claude doesn't do that. When I give Claude something to write, it sounds like a thoughtful person wrote it, not a chatbot. And Claude has a feature called styles. You paste in samples of your own writing, and Claude matches your tone, your voice, your rhythm. I use this for my scripts. When it works, generally, I can't tell the difference. ChatGPT has nothing close to this. Reason number two, Claude pushes back. ChatGPT just agrees with you. ChatGPT is what people call sycophantic. You share a mediocre idea, it says it's brilliant. You have a flaw in your logic, it helps you execute it anyway. You ask for feedback, you get compliments with one tiny suggestion buried at the end. Claude actually pushes back. It will tell you when your idea isn't great. It will say, I think there's a better approach. Here's why. At first, that feels uncomfortable. You're used to AI agreeing with everything. But a tool that just flatters you isn't actually helping you. Claude acts like a smart colleague that makes you better. Reason number three, Claude remembers way more. Every AI conversation that has a limit to how much it can hold in memory. Claude can hold about 200,000 tokens, roughly 150,000 words. That's an entire book, an entire code base. In practice, Claude never loses the thread. 2 hour conversation about a complex project, Claude still remembers exactly what you said at the start. ChatGPT starts forgetting earlier. Parts of conversations get longer. Repetitions, contradictions, frustration. For research, my main use case, this is massive. Reason number four, transparent memory. Claude remembers things about you across conversations. Your job, your projects, how you like to communicate. But here's the difference. You can see everything it knows about you in the settings. You just go to capabilities, then to memory. Every single thing Claude remembers, listed right there. You can read it, edit it, delete it, export it. Complete transparency. ChatGPT's memory accumulates quietly in the background. You don't always know what it's stored. The controls aren't as clear. For me, that transparency matters. Reason number five, Claude Code and Cowork. Claude Code is built right in. Describe what you want to build, it builds it. Full projects, multiple files, end to end. I use this every week. It's a generally different level. And Cowork, which we covered recently, can now control your Mac from a text on your phone. Assign Claude a task from anywhere. Come back to finished work. ChatGPT is nowhere near this yet. If you want to build things with AI, not just chat with it, Claude is the obvious choice right now. Okay, where ChatGPT is still better, being honest, is image generation. Claude is not as advanced as ChatGPT for now. ChatGPT is developing this longer. Claude is focusing more on real, genuine writing skills. ChatGPT edges Claude slightly for general browsing. So if you mainly use AI for quick questions, images, or video, maybe don't switch it. How to actually make the switch? 3 steps. 1. Go to Claude.ai, create a free account. Number 2. Import your ChatGPT memory. Go to Claude.ai, import memory. Claude gives you a prompt, paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT generates a summary of everything it knows about you. Copy and paste that into Claude. Claude now knows how you are and who you were. You're not starting from scratch. 3. Give it a week before you decide. Claude communicates differently. First few sessions feel unfamiliar. Give it a week, then make your decision. And you don't have to cancel ChatGPT. Most power users keep both and use each where it's strongest. That's what I do. Should you switch? You do a lot of writing? Yes. You care about privacy and transparency? Yes. You're building things with AI? Yes. You mainly use AI for quick questions and image generation? Maybe not yet. My honest take, after using both every day, Claude is where serious AI use is heading. Not flashier, not louder, just better at the stuff that actually matters. Drop a comment if you're Team ChatGPT or Team Claude, or you're using both like me. I read every single comment. Share this with someone who's been wondering which one to use. Subscribe for more plain English AI every day. See you in the next one.